What are you doing? I put food up for you. I put the food there, Miss Belle. Did they see that? I don't know, Auntie. No, no, no. It's okay. I'm gonna retrieve her. Don't worry. Don't worry. It's okay. Oh, you two. You two and your shenanigans. Don't. Come here, Belle. Let him. What if he falls? There's not enough tree. Don't do it. She's gonna do it. She's cute. Yes, she is. She's cute. Hey! Don't do it. No! You're gonna do it. I know you are. Don't do it. Don't do it. Ah! You did it anyway. But you made it. Good job. He's like, I'm a bit more reserved. I'm just gonna... She did leave you one, though. You're hungry, little hippo. I'm sorry, Belle. Because her little friend is under the air conditioner, but I can't show you guys right now because Bill. That's why. It's okay, Miss Honey Boo Boo. You can eat your lunch. They're eating their lunch. They're not your lunch. So then they leave crumbs, and then the birds can eat the crumbs. Although I do still chop them up fresh walnuts because that's